Hello everyone, welcome to Winnie's Happy Home, and today we are cooking Mahamri. Mahamri is a Kenyan, like a breakfast idea that is so amazing and so sweet. So if you are new here, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is where we share amazing tips on homemaking, cooking, organizing and parenting in general. And we go to our ingredients. So these are the ingredients for our Mahamri. We will need self-raising flour. We will need coconut cream, coconut milk. We will need yeast. We will need cardamom. We will need sugar, and we will need warm milk. And then for decoration, which is optional, we will need sesame seed. So having shared the ingredients, don't worry, the ingredients will be in the description box and also how to do it. So we'll start by putting our flour. I don't want to cook a lot of it. So I think 3 cups are enough, unless these are 3 cups. So let me take a spoon. So these are 3 cups of self-raising flour. We'll need, let me put like 6 tablespoons of sugar. And then we will need 1 tablespoon of cardamom. I love cardamom. So, and then we will need 1 tablespoon of instant yeast. And then we are going to mix all our dry ingredients thoroughly. You can see our dry ingredients are well mixed. My hands are clean, so, and my family trusts my hands, so I'm going to use my hands to mix. So first we are going to add the coconut cream first. These are how many? These are 200 ml of coconut cream. I'm using the Cara coconut cream, but any coconut cream will do. And then I'm going to add the coconut milk. Then I want to mix this, but I don't want to mix with my hands first. Let me first mix with a spoon first. So you have first to mix and ensure that it is well mixed before now you come to add your warm water. So can see I want to add like just a little amount of warm water. And then you ensure you knead the dough. You knead the dough very well. So while kneading, you have to ensure that you knead very well, to ensure that nothing sticks, that the dough does not stick in the kneading basin. So you have to be thorough and do your best. Use all your energy to do it. You can see what I'm saying? Like there is no anything sticking in the kneading basin. So you have to knead and knead and knead. So I feel like my dough is ready. After kneading for like 10 minutes, I feel like my dough is 100% ready. Now, you can see the dough is well done. Now what I'll do, I will cover it and let it rest for like 15 to 30 minutes. So I'll be doing something else as my dough is raising. Remember, we have put instant yeast. I would have decided to cook immediately, but to have those fluffy, nice mahamri, you have to let your dough rest for like 15 to 30 minutes will be good to allow the yeast to do its work. And when you cut your flour, you can see some bubbles. That tells you that the yeast is doing its working. So let me cover it for 15 to 30 minutes, and then we will be back with the final process. Now it's 30 minutes later. We want to make our mahamri. You can see it have risen very well. So I'm going the place is clean. I always sanitize it with I clean it and then I sanitize it with vinegar. So I'm going to divide my dough into several balls. I'm first going to divide into big balls. Actually, I've seen there is no need of dividing it into big balls. I can just make just small enough balls. You can see it's not even sticking in my hands. So, and the aroma here, it's amazing because of the cardamom. Is it cardamom or cardamom? Somebody told me it's cardamom. And then let me put the fire on so that the oil can be heating. So you can see I've made my balls. Let me cover them very well as we wait for the oil to heat up. I would have done it when I was making the balls. So you're going to take one ball. One thing about mahamri, you don't have to overroll it like the way you do chapati. So going to take one ball. Me and making things round, that's where my weakness in rolling. I make very nice things, but I can't roll it to be round. Like the perfect round. So, like in making your mahamri, you don't have to make them, you don't roll the dough to be too thin, like that of chapati. So, and then now you divide by 4. Divide by 4. And you have to check your oil if it is ready by putting on a cooking stick. And then now you put your mahamri in. Then slowly, you have to be careful not to burn yourself. And then once you put your mahamri, one of the trick I was told, you have to tap the mahamri so that it can air well. Perhaps you can share if it really works. So you can see I'm tapping. And then you fry your mahamri until they are golden brown, and you repeat the whole process. For me, I decided to make smaller mahamri so that because of the kids, so that at least if you give them 1 or 2, they are able to eat them and finish. So I decided not to make the big mahamris. I decided to make the small ones. So you can see how it's just coming up with a good color. You have to ensure that it's golden brown and it is giving. Yes, ensure that it's cooks on both sides, and then once they are done, you remove them and you put them in a tray or somewhere with a paper towel to drain the excess oil. So guys, let's cook mahamri. I've decided to do the voiceover because the background noise was too much, and we have to cook this mahamri without a lot of unnecessary. The noise was too much because there was shouting and screaming and all that. So I decided to do the voiceover. So you can see the first bunch is done and it's looking amazing. So you just have to repeat the whole process with all of them. Just as simple as that. You just you roll. After rolling, you put them in hot medium oil. This is like a medium hot oil. You tap, they brown on both sides, then you remove. As simple as that. Just ensure that the heat is not too much for them not to form bubbles or for them not to burn. As you can see how my mahamri is doing. Yes, my mahamri is giving very good vibe. I'm so happy. You see? My mahamri is giving that well done vibe. Giving that we are well done vibe. Every guy see well done vibe. Yani, they're just giving that we are so happy that we have been cooked well. Yani, our chef has overdone herself. Just like that. See? Ever see? Ooh! See how it's looking? It's looking amazing. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Yes. And you can see how my mahamri is looking. Unatokea kwa video yangu. Aki sitakata. And guys, ever see? My mahamri looking amazing, amazing. I'm actually going to take one and ever see? Yani, it's I was saying if this is optional, you can take some sesame seed and get to just sprinkle on top, which is just optional, but basically it's as simple as that, ensuring that you cook very yummy yet very puffy and nice mahamri. So hope you have enjoyed the video. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel for those who have not subscribed, so that I can continue bringing simple yet amazing recipes.